In this video, I will show you how to use Taptap Send. Using Taptap Send is simple and convenient. Taptap Send is a service that lets you transfer money from your debit card to mobile money in Africa and Asia. Start by downloading the Taptap Send app on your phone. You can find it easily in your app store. Once the app is downloaded, sign up by providing your information. This includes things like your name, email, and any other details required. After signing up, enter the name and mobile number of the person you want to send money to. Double check to make sure you have the correct information. Once everything is set up, you can proceed to send the money. Just enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. That's it. Your money will be on its way to your recipient. If you want to know which countries you can send money from, which countries Taptap Send supports, and the latest rates, you can always visit their website at taptapsend.com. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.